because we were allotted with 2 ministers for in this MDA2. So the UDP has the right to choose whoever among the 12 to go and attend as the minister for the MDA2. So we have been given the opportunity to serve for 2.5 years. So in this reshuffle, so the UDP collectively we take a decision, especially the elected members, and then V2 has been changed, and then 2 has been allotted this minister post to attend in this MDA2. So that is a party matters has been collectively taken this, where we really have this understanding and we are united. We don't need that agreement or arrangement 2.5 years. Whenever the party feel the need of change, so happily and then collectively we accept it, whichever the party feel deemed to take a decision. So we are that way, not necessary to put that 2.5 years, and we don't have that kind of agreement, and we will never have it also. Better this way, we go along with it, and then the party decision, we accept it. I don't feel that way, as I've mentioned, so I feel it's a blessing. Yes, no doubt, being a minister, I feel it's a blessing that I got a chance to serve the people of the state at my capacity. I might not be able to do everything or maybe more than the others, but whatever possible from my side, I have tried it in these 7.5 years. So I feel it's a blessing, and I would like to thank the people of the state for entrusting me to be the minister and then continue my journey for 7.5 years as a minister. But no doubt, though I'm no more a minister now, but our journey, our service still continue. But it's just that by not becoming minister anymore, we have more time for our people in the constituency. So I believe my people in the constituency also have many things against me. There are times that I couldn't attend their program, I couldn't be there in the funeral, so I couldn't be with them when they are in need of me. So I will try myself to be a part of their celebration or whatever ceremony they have, especially in the constituency. So I will try to be a part of it, since now I will be having more time for my people at my constituency. So this might be a blessing in the other way, where God has already planned this way for us. So we have to accept it, and I really mean it, I accept it this way.